April from Wishes Family Travel here, and this is the view from room 319 at Sandals Montego Bay. It is an Oceanfront Penthouse club level junior suite with a balcony and tranquility soaking tub. It's absolutely beautiful, so I'm going to turn you around and let you take a look. And there is the soaking tub for two. And then we have also a place to sit and relax here as well. And we're going to come into the bedroom. There's a king bed. Got a nice TV. And then our bathroom area is over there. See me in it. So with this room, it is located on the 3rd floor in the Almonds building, and it features, as you can see, stunning oceanfront views with a private balcony equipped with that's a bistro set and the tranquility soaking tub for two. So you will find the king size bed, a large TV, and then a nice cutout tray ceiling. Come down. Let's look in the bathroom. Check out the shower. Very, very, very large shower. Can easily accommodate 2 people in there. Obviously your toilet. And then the sink. I love that I'm going to turn it sideways. I don't know if it'll allow me to do that. How big that sink is. And I'm sorry, I'm going to flip it back around. That was probably a no-no. And then we have in here our area. Fix your coffee in the morning. And I paused because you can probably hear the jets that are above. I'll tell you about that. And here's a very, very large closet. You can easily fit 2 suitcases in there to keep them out of the way. My backpack out. And here, so you're hearing the airplanes because we're right next to Montego Bay Airport. And so you're going to get a little bit of that. The good thing about it is it does stop at 9:30, so it won't affect your sleep. So this is room 319 in the Almonds building at Sandals Montego Bay.